This is an introduction to algebraic expressions. Today's focus is, can I simplify algebraic expressions and collect like terms? There are 3 strands, and each one goes up in difficulty. The first one talks about collecting like terms of a single variable. The second one talks about mixed variables, and the last one talks about reasoning. So for the very first one, you have these type of questions. Now obviously, you would relate the same letter or same variable with one another. So as a result, 8a plus 8a minus 5a will give you 11. 9f plus 10f plus 2f will give you 21f. 7f minus 5x will give you 2x. And the 2x minus 4x will give you minus 2x. So negative numbers do happen here. For here, same idea. The x squared, x squared, and x squared will all relate to one another. So think of it as 5 plus 7 minus 3 to give you 9. So that's a very simple developing strand for collecting like terms for a single variable. For the second one, in emerging, you now are dealing with different letters, or in this case, different variables. Sometimes it's just numbers, but it does happen. So for the very first one, you got 5h and 9h, 8f and 4f. One of the common things that people ask is, okay, so do I add, do I subtract, or what is it that I need to do? Always look towards the sign that's to the left of the variable. So in this case, you know that this is plus 5 and this is minus 4m. This is minus 2x and this is plus 4x. So if we were to do these questions, you can see that this is the end result. The 5h plus the 9h will give you 14h, 8f and 4f will give you 12f, and if I jump down just a bit more, 5m minus 4m gives you 1m, and 5 plus 8 will give you 13. Same thing applies here. So we've now gone with mastery, in this case of using reasoning after looking at emerging. So in this question it says, John and Sam simplify 5x squared plus 8x minus 5x minus 4x squared. And which one gives you the right answer? So obviously the first one is who is right. And more importantly, what mistake did the other person make? And that's quite important to this question. So looking at it, your very first clue is to look at the 5x squared minus the 4x squared. And that gives you 1x squared already. The 8x minus 5x will give you 3x. So obviously, John has the right answer. But it's important to look at what did Sam do to give this answer of 12x to the power 4. Looking at it, it might have come in the fact that 5 plus 8 minus 5 minus 4 might give you a random answer. But looking at the squares, the x and the squares, it might give you some sort of idea that this might happen. So here's the thing. Please be careful of the signs. Add, subtract, and you won't get an answer like this, but rather something like this. So again, here are the 3 strands. I hope that if you're able to pause this video, you should be able to answer these questions. Then you know if you're able to see that you're on the right track. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.